They are the manufacturer, Aromanetic, and they have a lot of brands under it. Yeah, so they have certification of CDSU as well for 30 years. Can I take this? Yeah, and 8 ml spices. It comes 4. Okay.
And how much water do you need?
A little, yeah.
Start with the name of your company, please.
Okay, so the name of our company is Aromanetic. They are based of one province in Korea called Chungcheongnam-do, and their main ingredients are the spring water. So they are authorized. People can use those spring water in Chungcheongnam-do. The other companies are not allowed to use those raw materials. So they have different product, different brand range, including for the anti and skin brightening, and they do OEMs with Vietnam and other countries as well. This is one of their product, which is papaya enzyme. So it is when you put water in it and you emulsify it, it works as face wash, and it's really good. I have tried it as well. And this product, which people have shown really a lot of interest today, was this anti-wrinkle cream. This you put under your under eye and you dab it. In under 1 minute, your wrinkles, they will disappear. And it and it has effect for 8 hours. Yes. And the shelf life is of this product is 3 years. So it's really good. It comes in premium range.
Are these products available in India?
No, not right now.
So you're planning to bring it to India?
Yes.
You are selling it online?
These are being sold online on Amazon. Shampoo and conditioner. But products like this one is not available in India right now.
In the future, they would be available.
Yes. So we are planning to do OEM with them and try to distribute it for them as well.
Okay. So you're looking for distributors for your products.
OEM both.
OEM both.
That is, the companies, they want to sell these products under their own brand name. They will put their own label and sell it.
That's good. And if anybody wants to contact you for the business, in which number or which contacts they should contact you?
You can contact
You have
me.
your card, visiting card or something to show?
So I am from a semi-government Korean organization.
Okay.
We work for the Korean organization that comes under our province. So we are helping in their exports in
Okay.
different countries. So we have multiple offices. Our office in India is located in Gurgaon. Then we have in USA, Vietnam, Indonesia, Germany, China as well. So you can contact.
That's your contact?
Yeah.
We are Aussie Glow, a Korean skincare brand rooted in science, simplicity. So we have a sorry.
You can make a video.
It's okay.
We are Aussie Glow. It's a premium skincare brand that combines the best of nature and science. Each product is crafted with powerful marine extract ingredient like blue, green algae, red algae, brown algae, and nutrient-rich seaweeds. These ocean treasures are enhanced with the advanced Korean skincare technology to deeply nourish, protect, and rejuvenate the skin. Aussie Glow truly brings the power of the ocean to your beauty, helping you achieve a healthy and radiant glow.
People will contact you in this number. There is the contact number. That's it.
सबसे रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहूंगी मैं eyes on me everybody competition जारी करने मैं रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहूंगी आप सबसे आप सब वहां से एग्जिट करोगे तो वापस लाइन में आओगे क्योंकि आपको प्राइज मिलेगा तो कंपटीशन वाले वापस से लाइन लगाते जाएंगे एग्जिट करेंगे वापस लाइन लगाएंगे क्योंकि आप लोगों को प्राइज मिलेगा सर्टिफिकेट मिलेगा उसके लिए आप लोग प्लीज वापस
So this company is called Trade Korea. It is under the Korean government and it's a non-profit organization. So we don't take charges for the services that we provide. Mainly we do B2B matchmaking between Korea and India, and the idea is to facilitate trade between the two countries. So in case you are an importer looking for Korean manufacturing products, raw materials, or anything else in Korea, we help you find the products. You can sign up on our website for free, login, raise an inquiry, and then our company give you a listing, and from there you can talk with the Korean companies directly.
Okay. And how can people contact? Is there any site, website or
Yes.
something?
So you can take our brochure.
Okay.
You'll find them here at our
Okay.
site.
You have to scan
And
this scan
yes,
code?
You
Okay.
scan this code and it will take you directly to our website.
Fine. Fine.
From there, you raise an inquiry regarding what you want.
Okay.
We have beauty products all here that is sent by our headquarters.
Mhm.
But additionally, we also cover more than 14 industries.
Okay.
So you can actively look and search for whatever it is that you want. That'll be it.
That's it. Cleaning, nutrition, luxury, salon supplies. Thank you. Thank you.
I taught Korean in Jamia last year, and I'm teaching Korean in Delhi University recently. I don't know the reason. They are not paid.
नहीं मतलब थोड़ा कितना लगता है
I love this here because the space very shiny clothes.
yeah
Eventually, we see a chick here.